Hello friends, meet again on the Focus Android YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss how to delete object in photo on a Samsung phone. The first step is to go to the gallery application on our Samsung phone. Then please select which photo you want to delete the object from. Here you can press the pencil button to make edits to the photo. Then at the very bottom right, there is a symbol of 4 circle. We tap there. And there you will see the eraser object option. Here, to make it easier, you need to draw or circle the object you want to remove from the photo. After the object has been successfully marked, now you can press the erase. And now we have successfully deleted the object. Then to save, you can press down at the bottom, then press save again at the top to save the photo.